De Energieautoriteit Suriname EAS is voornemens om dieper in te gaan op de geboekte vooruitgang van regionale economieën, waarbij er bijzondere aandacht is geschonken aan onder andere elektriciteit, water en ICT. In het kader daarvan is de EAS gastheer van de 19e conferentie van de Organization of Caribbean Utility Regulators, OOCUR, in Suriname.
Your offer and you're following through on it in hosting the conference at a time when you are one of the newest members demonstrates EAS's high level of commitment to our mission. You know, the OUR knows firsthand, from first-hand experience, that hosting a conference of this nature is no mean feat. It requires time, human resources, financial and logistical outlay, careful and rigorous planning, keen attention to details, and the ability to pivot when the best laid plans threaten to go awry. And that is going to happen.
Anand Kalpo, directeur van de Energieautoriteit Suriname, belichtte dat EAS in 2016 is opgericht en 4 jaar later, in 2020, operationeel werd. Suriname is het 16e lidland dat zich heeft aangesloten bij de Organization of Caribbean Utility Regulators. Volgens Kalpo is Suriname in 2023 officieel toegelaten als lid en participeert het land voor de tweede keer aan dit jaarlijks evenement. Kalpo benadrukte dat de aansluiting van Suriname bij de OOCUR voordelig is voor de samenleving. Zo kan Suriname regulatiesystemen overnemen van landen die al langer zijn aangesloten en die ook toepassen.
It all starts with strengthening the sector and it starts with strengthening the authorities, the regulating bodies. Making sure that every stakeholder is on board to discuss the regional vision on a local and international basis, and in order for us to reach our goals in the upcoming period. Just to mention, we know we have the FID, we have the oil and gas steps that are going to be taken in Suriname. So those are all things that are going to affect our energy sector, our electricity sector, in combination with also climate change and the effects on that on the system. So I'm very glad to be here with a lot of my colleagues that I've come to know in the last year. We had a lot of discussions in the build-up of this conference.
Vandaag, maandag 28 oktober, tot en met woensdag 30 oktober, wordt de jaarlijkse conferentie van de Organization of Caribbean Utility Regulators, OOCUR, georganiseerd in Courtyard by Marriott.